Hello, we're SculptOK. Now, to guide you how to use our depth map generation, here are several options that can help enhance image quality when the original is low resolution, remove backgrounds, or perform HD restoration for better results. For images with low clarity, we strongly recommend using our HD optimization feature. There are several models to meet your diverse needs. This is the Sculpt Pro 1.5 model. As our latest release, it delivers precise structural accuracy, high performance in portrait restoration, and exceptionally refined image details. Compared to the Sculpt Pro model, it preserves more image details and background elements. This is Sculpt Pro. Both the Pro and Pro 1.5 models generate a single image. When multiple people appear in the image, the 1.5 model offers higher portrait accuracy, more precise facial structure, and a closer likeness to the subject, approaching a subtle low-relief effect. In contrast, the Pro model offers relatively stronger three-dimensionality. As the original flagship model, Sculpt Pro automatically optimizes images, removes backgrounds, and generates images with enhanced relief and depth. Color image. This is the most commonly used model and the default basic model. Except for the Pro model, all other models also generate 4 images. These 4 images present a gradual depth effect, ranging from light to dark. This model has wide applicability with different depth effects suitable for various industries and machine production requirements. We also offer the following parameters for more options. The default resolution for the depth maps we generate is 1K resolution. Here, you can choose to use Basic, is 1K quality, or Pro, is 2K quality. If you select the Pro model, you can then choose between generating a 2K or 4K resolution. Optimal size. If you select this option, it may apply slight scaling or distortion to your image, but it can improve the output quality. If you need the image to remain completely unchanged from the original, please set this to off. AI optimization. This enables AI-driven automatic image enhancement. The AI performs pre-3D processing on your image. While it may introduce subtle alterations, it significantly boosts the model's output stereoscopic effect. This is Repaint image. After selecting it, you can preset prompts. At the same time, details in the image will adjust according to your needs, which will change some content within the picture. The options here include 8-bit, 16-bit, and so on. A higher bit depth value results in finer image quality and a larger file size. If you choose 32-bit, an EXR format file will be generated and the surface of the model will be very smooth. Now, you should have a basic understanding of how to generate depth maps from your images. Our next session will be a tutorial demonstration on the 3D preview tool. Thank you for using SculptOK. If you are interested, please like and subscribe.